Hello everyone and welcome back. Alright, so we're going to try the very difficult challenge that my buddy Leon from Leon's Lockpad, he's one of our fellow pickers from the UK. He's got an awesome channel, guys. Please go check him out. A really nice guy. But anyways, he's got a awesome giveaway right now, and he's doing a challenge that he did quite a while back, which is called the Vice Versa Challenge, where he wants us to, normally if we pick a lock with our right hand, he wants us to pick it with our left hand. And he wants us to gut it and everything. And put it back together. I think he wants us to put it back together. Not sure. But anyways, we are going to pick it. And yeah, I don't think he wants us to put it back together. So we're just going to pick it. We'll take it apart. We'll show you what's inside. So anyways, this here is an awesome American lock 100-year anniversary 5200 that my buddy Bill Bacardi sent me from my collection. This is a really awesome lock. But anyways, one of the reasons why I chose this lock was because of the bidding. Bidding's not too bad. So, and we're going to be doing it left-handed. So, but it works like a brand new lock. And, yeah, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to do like my buddy Bill did. I'm going to do a little different, though, so I only have to gut it once. I'm going to show you pretty much how easy it is to pick them right-handed, and then we're going to try to go left-handed and see how much longer it takes us. So hopefully it won't be too long of a video. Alright, grab a short hook from Sparrows here, my tension wrench. And let's go. Click from 4. Actually, my tension wrench isn't set right. Okay. Couple more, click from 4, click from 3, couple from 2. Oh, and we are open. Alright, well that's right-handed, but we are open. Alright, well, let's relock it back up, make sure we are locked up here because that didn't spin back around. Oh, what happened here? Hold on a second here. We have flipped that key around somehow. I have no idea how that happened. Let me see. I might have just messed up this lock. I how it locked up. I don't think that could be picked because those pins can't go nowhere. So, I have no idea how I'm going to actually fix this. Alright, let's see. Here we go. We got it. Alright, let me zoom this back out for a second, guys. Sorry about that, but yeah, well, I thought I screwed up the lock. But it's working again. Works very good. Alright, I'll pay attention next time when I lock it back up. We don't do that. Alright, let's go left-handed. See if I can set this camera up here so we can all see it. Alright, here we go. We're focused in. Let's see if we get this thing open left-handed now. It'll be a lot more difficult. Believe that. Couple clicks off of 4. Very tough to navigate where your pick is. Trying to keep it in line with the pins. Alright, let's see if we can line this back up with the pins. Alright, not sure where I'm at. This goes to show you how difficult this challenge really is. I'm going to start this over because for some reason I can't line up with the pins. Keep slipping off that ledge here, left-handed too. Okay, there's a few clicks off of 4. Little click off of 5. Click from 3, I believe. Come on, stay on that ledge. Very, very difficult. Everything seems to be stiff or I'm not lined up. I backed it off a hair. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing open. Makes you want to laugh at yourself for being so retarded feeling inside this lock. I just can't get myself lined up with the pins. Try from the bottom here. Nope, that's not working either. One more shot. I'll find the first one. Alright, that was pin 5. See if we can stay lined up this time. And we're open. That was the whole thing. Trying to stay lined up with the pins is not easy, guys. Especially with the opposite hand that you're used to picking with. But alright. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to take that off frame, but that's alright. I'm sure everybody knows. There's no way I could have did anything. Alright, let's leave that unlocked. Let's get this thing open. Let's grab a pinning tray here first. Yeah, this is not an easy challenge by far at all. Alright, come on. That sucker's in there tight. Got it. Little bypass wafer. Alright, let's lock this back up so I can get that clip off a little easier. Whoops. Alrighty. Let's see what we have. Oops. Hold on a second. Okay, it's a 6-pin core. Only pinned up 5 pins, more than they normally are, stock. See, we've got a lot of serrations in there. We felt a lot. Serrated in 1, serrated in 2, serrated in, that was 4. 3, 5. These are all serrated pins. There's nothing done in the core. Alright, see what's in the Bible. I don't think there was any spools in there. I didn't feel any spools. I picked this lock before, obviously, but I just don't remember what is in there. Basically, it's all serrated pins. Yep, I think they're just all serrated pins. That spring is weak. That's 5. Or, yep, that was 5. Forgot this is only 5-pin lock. And number 6. I'm not going to pull the rest of the springs, but I'm just going to pull this up here to show you guys so we don't have to actually go through them all. They're just all serrated pins, but yeah, that was my submission to my buddy Leon Lockpad for this awesome giveaway. That's the vice versa. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you might have got a laugh out of it, a laugh or two. And yeah, everybody, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys.